Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a professional PDF using Claude AI. You can follow these steps using either the Claude application or the Claude website. So for this video, we're going to use the browser version, but the process is almost the same in the application. So first, I want you to open your browser and go to Claude, sign into your account, then wait for the main chat page to appear. So once you are inside, click the message box and describe the type of document that you want Claude to create. And make sure your instructions are very clear and include the topic, the information you need, and how you want the document to be organized. And after entering your prompt, submit it and allow Claude to generate the document. And then Claude will arrange the information into a clear and organized format based on your instructions. And once the result appears, carefully review the content and check whether everything you requested has been included. You can continue asking Claude to correct, shorten, expand, or reorganize any section until the document looks the way you want. And when you are satisfied with the final result, select the download option and save the document as a PDF on your computer. So this is helpful when you need to quickly create organized documents without formatting everything manually. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.